Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Brick Bowl Crepe Save Ice in Heartopia. So this is the hidden recipe of this new event in Heartopia right now. So right now Heartopia has a new event that called Modular Sweet, and in here you can cook many new special recipe. One of them is this. One of them is this secret recipe, Brick Bowl Crepe Save Ice. And to unlock this recipe is very easy. First go to your brick serving card, the special cooking stations for this event, and then next just click cook or click the icons, and then next just click this original recipe Brick Bowl Fruit Chef Ice like this. You can get this original recipe at the NPC Masimo. You can buy it from him. And then next just complete all the ingredients. You need condensed milks, brick ice, and then next just replace the fruit with the crepe like this. And after that just simply tap start cooking. And just like that, just cook the food. And like this, you can see it. You will unlock the Brick Bowl Crepe Chef Ice. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.